Hello and good morning, friends. So, welcome back to our session of Standard 8 Mathematics. As last time we have completed our lesson number 7, Cube and Cube Root. This time we are going to discuss about new chapter, lesson number 8, that is comparing quantities. What is comparing the quantities? You might have already learned this chapter in Standard 7, and in Standard 7 we will just get a brief idea from that is a previous knowledge, and then we will proceed what is new in this chapter. You will find that last time we have heard a word ratio. So one question from my side, what is ratio? Let me explain you. Ratio means what? This word you are familiar to you, but you need to recall this. So, comparison between two quantities of same kind. Not different kind, but of same kind. Suppose we are doing comparison of boys and girls in a classroom. Let us take an example of it, of your class only. Okay? So, if we find that example, okay, so example, that is number of boys and number of girls. So what is the ratio of number of boys to number of girls in your classroom? So first we need the figure, the number of boys. Suppose the number of boys in your classroom is 30, and number of girls is how much? 50. And this ratio is symbolic form, और इसको बोलते हैं is to. ये भी याद रखना. Clear? Is to, and this is a symbol of is to, 2 dot. So we can write like this. What is a ratio? They are asking. So ratio of boys to girls, that is 30 is to 15. This means we can put it in the fraction form. So 2 15s are and 1 15. So we can cancel it out and we will get 2 upon 1, and we will get the ratio is 2 is to 1. This we have learned in our standard 7. Okay? Now comparing, याद रखना, comparing two quantities of same kind. Kind उनका same होना चाहिए. We can take many other examples of all this. Okay? So that already you have studied in standard 7. Now we are proceeding for something more, that converting this ratio into percentage. Clear? So first of all we want to just recall what is percentage. As, just I need to erase this one. Please pen down this one with the example. What is percentage? Percentage means out of 100. Clear? A part of out of 100. This is the simple way to understand percentage. Percentage means part of fraction out of 100. Part of fraction out of 100. So here you get an idea. Whatever the part we are getting in fraction form out of 100 is considered as a percentage. The symbolic form. Symbol of percentage. This way, not like division, but like this and 2 dot. So this is a symbol which help us to understand this is a percentage sign. Clear? Now we can take example also. Example. Suppose 25% ऐसा बोला. So this is 25%. So if we convert this percent into fraction, it means 25 out of 100. So this is percentage. Now it is converted into P upon Q form, that is fraction form. And this can be further simplified if we require. One more point you need to remember, that is percentage is always calculated out of 100. कोई भी नंबर 100 से फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में हो, then it is considered as that percentage. We will learn many things more, how to convert this ratio into percentage, or ratio to fraction form, converting percentage to ratio. Clear? So just please pen down this much and we will proceed further. Look at here. We can merge the example of ratio and percentage. Two things we are doing together. That is, ratio of boys to girls is given to us as previous example we have taken. Now here you will find that 30:15 is the given ratio of boys to girls in a classroom. Okay. So total strength also we can find it out, that boys plus girls. Okay. But this ratio, that means we can first convert into fraction form, that is 30/15. Clear? And that will be 15 ones are 15 twos, that means 2:1. 2:1. This is the ratio what we have. Now this can be converted into percentage. So what percent of boys in the class 8? This is the question. Clear? So here, number of boys, that is 30, and total strength. Okay, total strength is equal to 30 plus 15, it will be 45. Therefore, percentage of boys in classroom, that is 30 out of 45. We can write like this in fraction form. Total is 45 and 30 boys. Total strength upon. Now we can convert this into fraction into percentage. Whenever we want to convert the fraction into percentage, we just need to multiply it by 100. So 45 multiplied by 100. And when you resolve this, आप इसको solve करेंगे, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. Okay? Suppose 15 2s are 15 3s are 45. You will get 200 out of 3%. But this is in the fraction form. इसका आंसर जो मिलेगा वो परसेंटेज में मिलेगा. It is in fraction form में परसेंटेज में. So if we further divide, ठीक है, और 200 को divided by 3 करेंगे, करके देखें. So pay attention here. 200 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. So we will get 2 as a remainder. So we can write, okay, 0 2 6 18. Again 2 remainder. So 66 2 by 3%. That is number of boys in the classroom. Hope so this much clear to you all, that the ratio of boys we are having and total strength we have got by adding the boys and girls, that is 45. Now they have asked that find the number of percentage of boys in the classroom. So percentage of boys in the classroom is 30 boys out of total, that is 45. We just multiply 30 upon 45 multiplied by 100, and when we have done we will get the percentage. So we have got 200 by 3%. Okay, so 200 by 3% means how much? So we have just done here the rough work and find out that 66 2 by 3. अगर हम इसको और डेसिमल में भी जा सकते थे, इफ अगर डेसिमल पॉइंट रख के जाता हूँ तो आई विल गेट 66.66666 like that continuity I will get it. So you can write down the percentage into fraction form also and in decimal form also. This much clear to you? Now we proceed further for the next thing in the next lecture. Thank you.